Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update.
If you're not living under a rock, you probably know this guy. Those of you who don't, this is Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla Motors, who once said, "I hire people in spite of an MBA, not because of one." This has always been a long-standing debate, whether it makes sense to do an MBA at all. Especially in the kind of dynamic times that we are living in, where every concept of business is changing in the blink of an eye. In India, the MBA ecosystem is a bit complex. Unlike the West, most of the two-year programs attract freshers, and that means the students should be prepared in such a way that they are not only familiar with the basic concepts of MBA, but are prepared to take up challenging and specialized positions that they are going to land up in after their program. To talk about it more, we decided to dig into some specializations that are going to turn out most rewarding in the future. We will try to understand how, in the Indian context, we can make sense of the MBA madness and what should you keep in mind before making the selection of your B-School program. So, let's dive in. Well, Elon Musk is not the only one who has a problem with MBAs. Industry professionals have time and again criticized the archaic approach followed by some B schools that does not prepare them for the job market. The sorry state of the Indian undergraduate colleges, no or very little exposure to liberal education and a high fresher density opting for MBAs make things worse. The future marketplace will not only look for B-School students who have read and applied Kotler's theory of marketing, but will expect them to have domain-specific knowledge or skills that put them into job roles that require understanding of both markets and technology. This requirement has resulted in a lot of executives taking up certification programs and attending e-classes during the weekends. The pandemic has just made it faster. Not just that, B schools are also coming up with specialized MBAs, and a lot of them are collaborating with online learning platforms to offer varied certification and specialized MBA programs. One such platform is Upgrad, where students can opt for general, specialized MBA and certification programs in association with national and international institutes of repute. The learning methodology followed by Upgrad not only helps students to complete their programs on time, but helps them connect with industry experts and build networks in the related areas they want to delve into. I'll talk more about some of the programs offered by Upgrad that you can take up later in this video that can help you secure the best possible career opportunities in the future. Most rewarding future careers after MBA. More and more B schools will opt for more industry-focused curriculum in the coming years to make sure students coming out of these institutes are prepared with thinking abilities along with a general business degree. More and more specialized MBAs focusing on specific sectors like finance services, information technology, marketing communications, big data and analytics, etc. will emerge in the coming years, providing the most lucrative career opportunities. Programs that cater to executives going through part-time certification programs and acing their skills are also going to be a norm in the future. Now that we have laid the foundation, let's talk about a few rewarding future careers that freshers and executives can take up after their MBA. IT and business analytics. If you have interest in technology and numbers make utmost sense to you, this is an apt field for you to walk on. You can work as a project manager at an IT firm, say an Apple or a Samsung. How cool is that? In analytics, data is the king and it has never been bigger. With machine learning, AI and digital expansion happening at a rapid pace, the demand for professionals in the field of analytics is only going to grow. In the recent past, job listings of data scientists and big data analysts have shot up, and organizations are all gearing up for hiring more such talent within their system to leverage on the fact. MBA graduates in business analytics can find jobs in various sectors like IT, healthcare, financial institutes, e-commerce, etc. BCG, Accenture, Capgemini, Wipro, Amazon are few marquee companies where you can get jobs as business analytics professionals. Thanks to the growing importance of analytics in business, the average salary of business analytics professionals in India is above rupees 11 lakhs per annum. While freshers can make around 5 to 8 lakhs per annum, experienced professionals in the field can earn between rupees 10 to 18 lakh per annum. Salary of these professionals grow exponentially with experience. Executives with 2 to 3 years of experience looking to opt for a course to strengthen their profile and grow more within an organization can consider taking up the MBA Executive with Specialization in Business Analytics program from Upgrad in collaboration with NMIMS. An 18-month MBA degree with 200 plus hours of live faculty interaction and 3-month industry-driven capstone project. This program can help increase your chances by elevating your career prospects and salary. You can also opt for a 4-month certification program offered in collaboration with IIT Delhi in Executive Management Program in Strategic Innovation, Digital Marketing and Business Analytics if you are looking for something short-term. Digital marketing. With more and more business becoming aware of the potential of digital marketing and strong need for products and services to be online for their customers to interact and buy, digital marketing is championing the marketing budgets. Whether it's a search engine optimizer or pay-per-click specialist or social media marketing manager, there are many roles that you can opt for in this sphere of digital marketing. If you are interested in, say, the creation side of digital marketing, you can either be a content manager, copywriter, website graphic designer, or a website developer. But if you are looking to make the big bucks and a career in digital marketing, you need to have hands-on experience of the nuances associated with it. Digital marketing managers in IT firms, internet companies, and digital marketing agencies receive the highest compensation out of all digital marketing managers in other industries. This job comes with a good amount of experience at various levels like digital marketing lead, assistant manager, DM, etc. The salary range of a DM manager is between 4 lakh to 18 lakh rupees, depending on experience and city where you are working in. Upgrad, in association with MICA and Deakin University, is currently providing a 21-month online MBA Global with specialization in digital marketing that you can consider to specialize in the domain. You will be learning different concepts of marketing, branding, analytics, and will be able to strategize and plan campaigns at the end of the programs to leverage your career. If you are looking for a shorter engagement, you can opt for advanced certificate in digital marketing and communication from Upgrad in collaboration with MICA, designed specially for freshers. Investment banking and finance planning. Students roping themselves in for finance know it in their heart from the very beginning that they want to go down the investment banking path. And rightly so, because moolah. And who understands numbers better than FinViz? But it's not all rosy and needs a solid background in finance and a specialized education. An equally important and lucrative career option for finance enthusiasts is that of a finance planner who plans finances for organizations, helping them identify financial goals, retirement and tax planning, etc. An investment banker, on the other hand, works as a part of a large financial organization and deals with raising capital for corporates, government, or other entities. A specialized MBA finance degree helps fresher entering the field. The salary of these professionals depend on the B schools and experience you have in the relevant field. You can take up the MBA in Digital Finance and Banking program offered by Upgrad in collaboration with OP Jindal Global University. It's a 24-month future-oriented MBA program that is suitable for finance enthusiasts who want to make it big in the world of finance. Product Manager. If you don't have the right product, no amount of marketing will work wonders for you. Creativity, foresight, and knowledge of your customer requirements set a product manager apart. A product manager is expected to be involved in all aspects of the journey of a product. With a changing world and reliance on digital technology, more and more product managers are going to be in demand. It is also one of the highest paying jobs post-MBA and is expected to grow further. So it's a no-brainer to opt for it, provided you have the creative flair and both EQ and IQ of coming up with newer and better products. The average entry-level product manager's salaries start from rupees 11 lakh per annum in India, which grows over time exponentially. You can opt for a product management certification program from Upgrad, offered in collaboration with Duke University, a program through which you can learn the product roadmap by user research, prototyping, and product analysis from top faculty members and industry experts. Alright, so those were the 4 trending jobs that you can look forward to after your MBA. Tell us in the comments below if you missed any role that you think is going to be the most sought after one. If you want to know more about the courses we discussed in the video, click in the link in the description and learn more about them to make a conscious decision. Tell us in the comments below what other type of content you would want us to make for you, and we would try and come up with them in the future episodes. Till then, stay healthy, stay safe. Goodbye.